Hey everyone, and welcome back to Holistic Wellness Realm. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's close to my heart, literally. We're talking about managing blood pressure naturally. We all know how crucial it is to keep our blood pressure in check. It's our body's control system for the force of blood against our artery walls. And when it's too high, it can lead to a whole host of health problems down the line. But what if I told you that you could take control of your blood pressure without relying solely on medication? That's right. In this video, I'm going to share 5 powerful natural remedies that can help lower your blood pressure in just 1 week. These simple yet effective lifestyle changes can make a world of difference. So if you're ready to take charge of your health and well-being, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Let's kick things off with a real kitchen staple, garlic. This pungent little bulb is a powerhouse when it comes to health benefits, and one of its most impressive abilities is its positive impact on blood pressure. You see, garlic contains a compound called allicin, and it's this allicin that works wonders on our blood vessels. Allicin helps to relax the walls of our blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily and reducing the pressure on those artery walls. Think of it like this. Imagine your blood vessels are like a garden hose. When the hose is constricted, the water pressure inside increases, right? Well, allicin in garlic acts like a gentle hand, easing those constrictions and allowing the water, or in this case, our blood, to flow more smoothly. Now you might be wondering, how much garlic do I need to eat to reap these benefits? Well, incorporating garlic into your diet is easier than you think. Adding a clove or two of fresh, crushed garlic to your meals is a great way to start. You can add it to sauces, soups, stews, or even roast it alongside your vegetables for a delicious and healthy flavor boost. And here's a little tip: crushing the garlic before using it helps to release more of that beneficial allicin. So don't be shy with that garlic press. If you're not a fan of the taste of raw garlic, don't worry, there are other options. Garlic supplements are available in capsule form, providing a convenient way to get your daily dose of allicin. However, as always, it's important to talk to your doctor before starting any new supplements, especially if you're on any medications. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to natural remedies. Incorporating garlic into your diet regularly can have a significant impact on your blood pressure over time. Now let's talk about another powerful tool in our blood pressure lowering arsenal: exercise. And no, you don't need to become a marathon runner overnight to reap the benefits. Regular physical activity, even moderate intensity exercise, can work wonders for our heart health and our blood pressure. When we engage in physical activity, our heart rate increases and our blood vessels dilate, allowing for better blood flow throughout our body. Think of it like this. Exercise is like giving our cardiovascular system a good workout. It strengthens our heart muscle, making it more efficient at pumping blood, and it improves the elasticity of our blood vessels, allowing them to adapt to changes in blood flow more easily. The American Heart Association recommends aiming for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. And the good news is, moderate intensity exercise doesn't have to be strenuous. Activities like brisk walking, cycling, swimming, or even dancing can all get your heart rate up and provide those blood pressure lowering benefits. And here's the best part: you don't have to do it all at once. Breaking up your exercise into shorter, more manageable sessions throughout the day can be just as effective. So instead of trying to squeeze in a full 30-minute workout, try incorporating short bursts of activity into your daily routine. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, go for a walk during your lunch break, or even do some jumping jacks while you're waiting for the kettle to boil. Remember, every little bit counts. The key is to find activities you enjoy and make them a regular part of your life. And if you're new to exercise or have any underlying health conditions, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor before starting any new workout routine. Now let's move on to our next natural remedy: potassium-rich foods. Potassium plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium in our body. You see, sodium, which is found in salt, can cause our bodies to retain water. This excess water in our bloodstream puts extra pressure on our blood vessels, leading to an increase in blood pressure. Potassium, on the other hand, acts like a natural diuretic, helping our bodies to flush out excess sodium and water, thereby reducing blood pressure. So how do we incorporate more potassium into our diet? Well, luckily for us, nature provides an abundance of delicious and potassium-rich foods. Bananas, sweet potatoes, spinach, avocados, beans, and lentils are all excellent sources of potassium. Adding these foods to your meals regularly can help to keep your potassium levels in check and support healthy blood pressure. For example, you could start your day with a potassium-packed breakfast of a banana smoothie or a bowl of oatmeal topped with sliced bananas and a sprinkle of nuts and seeds. For lunch, you could enjoy a hearty salad with grilled chicken or fish and a side of roasted sweet potatoes. And for dinner, a lentil soup or a bean and vegetable stir-fry are both delicious and nutritious options that are packed with potassium. Remember, a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains is key to maintaining healthy potassium levels. And by incorporating these potassium-rich foods into your meals, you can help to counteract the negative effects of sodium and support healthy blood pressure. Let's be honest, most of us love a little salt on our food. It enhances flavors and makes our taste buds sing. But when it comes to our health, especially our blood pressure, too much salt can be a real problem. As we discussed earlier, sodium, the main component of salt, can wreak havoc on our blood pressure by causing our bodies to retain water. This excess water in our bloodstream puts extra pressure on our blood vessels, leading to a spike in blood pressure. Now, I'm not suggesting you ban salt from your kitchen entirely. A little bit of salt is necessary for our bodies to function properly. However, most of us consume far more sodium than our bodies need, thanks to the abundance of processed foods and restaurant meals in our modern diets. So what can we do to reduce our sodium intake and protect our blood pressure? Well, the first step is to become more aware of hidden sources of sodium in our diet. Processed foods, such as canned soups, frozen meals, packaged snacks, and fast food, are often loaded with sodium. In fact, these processed foods account for the majority of sodium intake for most Americans. Reading food labels carefully is crucial. Pay close attention to the sodium content per serving, and choose lower sodium options whenever possible. Look for products labeled as low sodium, reduced sodium, or no salt added. When cooking at home, try to flavor your food with herbs, spices, and other sodium-free seasonings instead of relying solely on salt. Fresh herbs like basil, oregano, thyme, and rosemary can add a burst of flavor to your dishes without the added sodium. And don't be afraid to experiment with different spices, like cumin, coriander, paprika, and turmeric. These spices not only add depth of flavor, but also offer numerous health benefits. Remember, reducing your sodium intake doesn't have to mean sacrificing flavor. Let's end our journey with a delightful and refreshing beverage that's as beneficial as it is tasty: hibiscus tea. This vibrant red tea, made from the dried calyces of the hibiscus flower, has been enjoyed for centuries for its medicinal properties, and one of its most notable benefits is its ability to lower blood pressure. Hibiscus tea contains powerful antioxidants called anthocyanins, which give the tea its vibrant color and are responsible for its blood pressure-lowering effects. These anthocyanins work by helping to relax blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily and reducing pressure on those artery walls. Think of hibiscus tea as a soothing balm for your blood vessels, gently easing tension and promoting healthy blood flow. And the best part is, it's incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily routine. You can find hibiscus tea bags at most grocery stores or health food stores. Simply steep a tea bag in hot water for a few minutes, add a touch of honey or lemon if desired, and enjoy. Hibiscus tea has a naturally tart and slightly sweet flavor that many people find refreshing. It can be enjoyed hot or cold, making it a perfect beverage any time of day. And here's a bonus tip. Hibiscus tea is naturally caffeine-free, so you can enjoy it even in the evening without worrying about it interfering with your sleep. So why not swap out your usual afternoon coffee or sugary soda for a cup of heart-healthy hibiscus tea? It's a simple and delicious way to support your blood pressure and enjoy a moment of relaxation. So there you have it, 5 natural remedies that can help you take control of your blood pressure and support your overall health and well-being. Remember, these remedies work best in conjunction with a healthy lifestyle. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Holistic Wellness Realm for more natural health and wellness tips. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Share this video with your friends and family who might benefit from these natural remedies. Let's spread the message of holistic wellness together. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.